The next type of entity from mentions is LSI mentions. So laser targeted keywords, which again are entities and will, instead of being something like a handle from a door, there'll be the actual door styles. So the best place we can find that in 2023, the fastest way, again, ChatGPT. You like it or you hate it, right? So I will give it a command. Give me the top 5 LSI key phrases for the main keyword door and their Google Knowledge Graph IDs. Let's take that away. And in brackets, the KGMID and their Wikipedia page URLs. Okay, this is the command I'm going to give to Chat. And I pasted it into here. Sometimes you have to change a few words around, I've noticed, with Chat. So that's the actual command it worked off. Sometimes it doesn't recognize them. So LSI key phrases, again, it comes up with their KGMID and their Wikipedia URL. In my experience, I go for types on the LSIs. So I would write about it on the page. So sliding door would be a type of door, garage door if that's on your website. Maybe bifold door, that usually comes up, and I think it came up as a main entity earlier. So sometimes, like I said, you have to double check the data. So sliding door, let's use that one. I'm going to take that, double check its data back here. And I'll try and leave these links on the page somewhere. Let's paste that in, sliding door. It comes up. It comes up as a thing, which it's meant to. MID, which is probably different from what Chat is showing. But I'll show you something quickly. What our site does, we play it safe, basically. And I'll show you, if I use their KGMID and we use sliding door, what this has done, me entering the MID here, it's made a search for me, so a search URL. So just in case any of you guys do get it wrong, you know, we've already played it safe by adding a search URL, and then it will still show sliding door, but it might not show the the knowledge graph. I'm so used to talking in shortcuts nowadays. Yeah, so that's why I like to double check and make sure I use the correct one. If we change that for the correct one, graph comes up. Okay, and that is how I find LSI keywords for my article pages. So to add them in your articles and to add them down here, and I just missed the URL, which I'll click on, make sure it's actually a live URL, and then put it in here. And now in my article I would have had a page on this, so linked out to another page about sliding doors. So my main page would have been just aluminium door suppliers, and then I would have written about aluminium doors, and then under that, you know, the types of handles that we offer, and bolded the handle keyword, and maybe had a secondary page about handles that we offer. Also, sliding door would have been a type of door under aluminium doors, and then I would have a separate page on aluminium doors, and I would have bolded this and linked out to that, or linked out to its Wikipedia page, which will match the schema details. Okay, thank you for your time, guys. See you in the next one.